Okay, we're on our way back from our salvage inspection, and she passed. And we got the tags, and we're gonna take them to the shop, put them on, and then go home. Tell my wife her car is ready. Okay, she's road legal. I still need to bring it in after I get the other spark done and give it a paint job. At least this nose of it. Anyway, she's ready to roll. Everything passed muster. You gotta check all the tires and stuff, make sure they got enough air in them. But yeah, spark number one basically done for now. She's on the road. So anyway, time to get to work on the other spark. Thanks for watching.